Tame your yard with the Greenworks 40V Cordless String Trimmer. Is your lawn looking a little wild? We've got the perfect tool to help you reclaim your yard and achieve those crisp, clean edges you've been dreaming of. The Greenworks 40V 13-inch cordless string Trimmer Edger Gen 2 is designed for homeowners and gardeners who want a convenient and eco-friendly lawn care solution. It's part of the Greenworks 40V family, meaning one battery powers over 75 tools. This trimmer easily converts from a trimmer to an edger with just the push of a button. The 90-degree pivoting head allows for trimming and edging at multiple angles. The Greenworks trimmer boasts a durable aluminum telescoping shaft. This adjusts to your height for comfortable use, reducing fatigue during longer tasks. It features a push-button start and a .065 single-line auto-feed head for easy operation. Plus, it's virtually maintenance-free, requiring no gas, oil, or emissions. With a no-load speed of 9,000 RPM, this trimmer delivers the power you need. The lightweight design and superior ergonomics make it a joy to use. The package includes a 2.0 AA USB battery and charger, so you're ready to go right out of the box. It's designed for efficient lawn care without the hassle. Customers are impressed with the Greenworks trimmer's performance. One verified buyer praised it as a powerful, reliable, easy-to-use, cordless, exceptional tool. Another user highlighted its ability to tackle tough weeds in their vegetable garden. However, some users have reported issues with the auto-feed mechanism. Pros: cordless convenience, 2-in-1 trimmer, edger, lightweight design, and part of a versatile battery system. Cons: some users experienced auto-feed issues and battery life may vary depending on usage. Ready to upgrade your lawn care routine? Head over to the product listing on Amazon to learn more and make your purchase. Don't miss out on the Greenworks 40V 13-inch cordless string trimmer Edger Gen 2 and achieve a perfectly manicured lawn with ease.